have nerves of steel. I have a heart that feels. I may have cried a million tears. I won't drown. I let myself unfold. Gave you my hand to hold. Took me beyond what I could see, and then you let go of me. I was damaged by the fall. Got the wind knocked out of me.
Ketenaran itu mengantarkan Christian Bautista menjejak Indonesia. Meski sedikit pun tak pernah ia menyangka, namun pada akhirnya di negeri Gemah Ripah Loh Jinawi ini, Christian mendaratkan karyanya. Hingga tak terasa sudah 3 tahun, ia mengakrabi Indonesia dengan segala sendi kehidupannya. Bolak-balik Filipina Indonesia adalah rutinitas yang tak membuatnya bosan untuk kembali menyentuh tanah persada.
I don't have X-ray eyes, don't have a heart so wise. How could I have known you'd let me down?
So I'm just very glad that now I'm able to sing in the Philippines and here also in Indonesia and in other countries. A plan that was given to me, a plan that I never thought or dreamed was possible.
Saya ngelihat bahwa popularitas ketenaran yang dia terima itu cuma bonus sih saya ngelihat. Saya ngelihat bahwa tujuan utama dia di karir ini adalah dia cinta sama keluarganya, saya lihat. Karena dia selalu cerita tentang keluarganya dan kehidupannya. Dia orang yang cukup baik, cukup yang berjalan, yang cukup yang tadi saya bilang. Dia ditata rapi banget perjalanan hidupnya. Jadi saya ngelihat bahwa bukan itu sih ketenaran yang dia cari, tapi dia lebih melihat bahwa nyanyi adalah suatu hal di mana dia bisa memotivasi banyak orang, dan akhirnya kalau dia mendapatkan ketenaran dan lain sebagainya yang dibilang materi, itu saya melihat bahwa itu bonus dari hal-hal yang serius dia kerjakan di bidang nyanyi ini sih.
Thank you. This next song.
Nakadalawa ka na, baba na!
Di lang ikaw maganda boss dito ha.
Tak selamanya mendung itu kelabu, nyatanya hari ini kulihat begitu ceria.
Did that, didn't you? You upload that kid's video to the internet? Did you get any approval from the parents? Did Ibu Rinjani approve this? I leave.
Mengantungi 5 album dan beberapa single, pada akhirnya mengantarkan Christian sebagai selebritis. Meski ia tak menginginkan jadi sorotan kamera dan dipuja sebagai idola, namun pusaran dunia entertainment membuatnya tak bisa memilih. Maka Christian pun menata diri dan menata perasaan agar tak terseret pemberitaan miring yang berpotensi merubuhkan kedikdayaan.
In the first few years, I hated it because they were all lies. And then later on, I realized, okay, these tabloids, these news, they just want to make things interesting for the reader so that they can read the news. I still don't know how they somehow twist some of the words, but I got used to it later on that it was a system that was used. But as I grew up, as I became more mature, I learned how to limit my answers also, and how to answer truthfully, or how to say no before I just say anything and everything. And then later on, get wisdom to know what I just need for them to know.
Karena hubungan pertemanan antar fans ini bagus, terus si Christian Bautistanya ini sama fansnya juga baik gitu. Ya dia mau menyisihkan waktu buat ketemu, mau minta tanda tangan di CD-nya, mau banyak juga, dia juga nggak pernah ngeluh. Ya seneng-seneng aja gitu.
Ku beri semua untukmu dengan kesungguhanku. Tak akan ku berbagi meskipun engkau jauh. Ku kan selalu merindukanmu. Ku kan tetap selalu menjadi.
Indonesia memberi banyak resapan gambar kehidupan buat Christian, di mana ia bisa belajar banyak dari para pendengar lagu-lagunya di sini. Christian makin merasa berarti karena penyanyi dan musisi Indonesia memberinya ruang untuk bekerja sama.
Well, of course, number one is Bunga Citra Lestari. We're friends up to now. When I started, I performed with Titi DJ and Chris Dayanti in a show. And I would still love to collaborate with some more, actually. According to the labels, the second album is always the hardest album to follow the first album because there's so much pressure in matching the success of the first one. So even though the second album completely was one of the best albums of my life, it still could not surpass the first one. But I really enjoyed making that second album. I partnered with Indonesian songwriters and music producers like Andy Rianto to produce Since I Found You. But somehow the music in the Philippines changed into rock and roll. It wasn't ballads anymore. That's why it adjusted. But good thing when I went to Indonesia, Since I Found You became such a big hit that even up to now, they request it.
You give me hope, the strength, the will to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way, and only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you'll turn the tide.
Indonesia dengan segala kelebihan dan kekurangannya membuat Christian makin betah berlama-lama. Meski tak menyukai kemacetan yang membuatnya stres berlipat ganda, namun Indonesia telah memberinya satu jalan merintis sukses. Walau di saat kali pertama menjajak Indonesia, Christian sempat ragu apakah mungkin ia bisa terkenal di sini.
You know the tears won't help show. You'll break this heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile, your face, your lips.
During the first time I went here, yes, I was shocked because wow, they haven't even seen me, but they were like cheering and all that. But it really opened my eyes when I first arrived here. And people will say Indonesia has a 200 million plus population, and then I really love the music scene. I really did not like the traffic scene up to now. But I fell in love with it because wow, I feel so loved and appreciated here. And I never stopped coming back.
Christian dan Indonesia kini bagai dua sisi mata uang yang tak terpisahkan. Pulau Bali yang menawan hati adalah impian Christian untuk ia tinggali kelak di kemudian hari. Namun lebih dari itu, Indonesia dan musiknya adalah daya tarik yang membuat Christian betah berlama-lama di negeri Katulistiwa ini.
It's a mystery how you got to me. I fell in the spell of your charms with your sirens.
I pay attention a bit. I have to because I need to know the wave. But I don't study every artist. Before, during my first and second album, it's all rock songs. It's all rock bands, rock songs. Now, yes, there are influences of K-pop and influences of Indonesians doing K-pop.
Dia senang dia bahkan bilang kalau memang dia punya waktu, dia mau gitu tinggal di Indonesia.
Para fans di Indonesia adalah bunga-bunga kehidupan yang menyegarkan napas popularitas Christian Bautista. Sedikit pun tak terlihat Christian jumawa, apalagi merasa sebagai superstar. Maka inilah potret kesederhanaan sang idola yang makin membuatnya dicintai penggemarnya.
I always like singing here, especially I go to different provinces. I even went to Cirebon once to sing, and when they sing along and when I feel their love, that's the stuff that I miss.
Fansnya, saya ngeliat fans Christian tuh banyak banget yang fanatik ya, tapi fanatik yang baik gitu ya. Saya ngeliat di mana-mana dia selalu dikejar-kejar gitu lah. Kalau kita di hotel ada yang kirim bunga, ada kirim boneka, dimanapun itu. Saya ngelihat bahwa Christian cukup dekat dengan fansnya dan dia sangat menghargai para fansnya gitu loh. Sekalipun dia udah tenar sekali, tapi saya ngelihat dia cukup appreciate, dia cukup menghargai para penggemarnya sih, Mbak.
Dia selalu ngasih tahu kita dari Twitter atau manajernya yang rajin ngasih tahu jadwalnya sampai jam-jamnya tuh, manajernya rajin kasih tahu.
I became more popular in school after that because I'd sing to every girlfriend who was pretty, and then some of the boyfriends would get jealous and then say, okay, that's it, you know.